It's here.
The
She's finally here. The holidays are upon us. I've been waiting for this moment. This is so exciting.
Wait, what? It's already over?
And New Year's too. I guess there's always next year.
Bruh.
You know that New Year wave where everybody get crazy about making resolution lists and stuff? You know, where the 1st of January is supposed to invoke some kind of flushing system that's supposed to transform us into like automatically new beings? Well, that crashing wave of change has missed me again. But 2022 though, right? Ha! Hello my awesomes, welcome back to my channel. I am your host, Natalie J as usual, and if you are new, hi, hello there. Welcome to my awesome weirdness. As you all know, 2021 is upon us, and for all that is good and breathing on this planet, please, Mother Nature, serve us another plate. Please, sis. No, seriously. The gloom that has surrounded us in this year of 2020 is literally endless. Like, remnants of it is seeping into 2021, and we need it to stop. Who do we call? Can I have their number? Ha! But nevertheless, let us not let that suss our entire vibe. We're hanging in there, right?
Alrighty then.
So, since I missed the entire holiday wave, like all of it, I'm here to make up.
See what I did there?
Why, thank you. I'll be here all week.
Anyhow, let us not delay any further and hop right into it. So as you can see, I did take the Christmas colors by force. My brows are in fact red this time and not burgundy. And I'm cutting my crease just to prepare everything for the eyeshadow look. The goal was to get some kind of holiday inspired look, but truth be told, eyeshadow is not my strong point, even though it seems like it. Full face makeup is more my suit, so something happened. Not exactly sure what it is, but something. We're going with it, okay? We're going with it. It's done. We're going with it. So, since we cannot deny the inevitable, let's hoppity-doo-doo-doo to the next step. Now that my crease is ready to cut, clearly because it's so sharp, I'm going to take this darker green and go in the outer crease and just V-shape it inward, just to create more definition. You know the drill, stacking process 101. This is where you start with your lightest colors, your transition, no matter what color palette you're using, and make your way through to the darkest color where the, depth and dimension lies. It's kind of another way of saying building the color, where you stack until you get your gradient effect. But that's the video for another day where I explain in full depth how you do some eyeshadow in the basics. Now I'm going in with some transparent glitter, well that's what I call it anyways, and some adhesive, and I'm just gonna apply it to my cut crease area. Now honestly, I'm not a fan of this Quo glue. I think it's a little bit tacky even when it's dried, so I'm pretty much just using it until it's finished because... And this is the corner that my fingers let me gravitate towards. I did outline it with red to kind of spice it up, so yeah. Now, never before seen footage of me stuffing my face because food is life. Want some? Yeah? No? Maybe? Meh, we'll share anyway. I mean, we've kind of been getting to know each other, so don't be shy. Taking this Jekka Black liquid corrector, I'm just going to apply it to the dark circles around my mouth.
Dark circles are not my best friend, okay?
And now time for some quick makeup magic because obviously that exists in makeup. Duh.
What is invested time for 500 please?
For my base, I'm going in with this BH Cosmetic liquid foundation and just applying it all over my face. And then bippity boppity boop. And voila! Wait a minute. I thought this makeup magic was foolproof. That's better. I guess I kind of got to get the hang of it, but we'll see. Now taking my 2.5 makeup magic mate skill, I'm just gonna... Oh, it worked. Okay, let's go with it before it turns back. All right. Ha! Going with my Dynamic at the Moment Concealer Duo, I'm just gonna apply it to my highlighted areas. All points, to each his own really. I don't know, these two just work so well together for a good blend.
Concealer power!
Cause teamwork makes the dream work. Ha! And if you are religious or otherwise viewer of my videos, you know this Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation from NYX is like my go-to contour religious routine. Like, well, until I find something else anyway. Going in with this BH Cosmetic concealer, and it's in a darker shade. I'm gonna try and contour my nose. Or magic it on, cause we can do that now. Duh.
Baby, let me upgrade you.
It's about God.
Shut your mouth.
But I wasn't even swearing.
Shut your mouth.
Chill, jeez. Uptight much?
The sensory is real around here.
I did set everything with translucent powder and just left it to bake, and I'm moving on to my bronzing. Taking this darker shade in my Zulu by Juvia's Place palette, I'm just gonna contour, well, bronze over the contoured area. It's kind of a reassuring process to your contour that, hey, I got you, but I'm gonna buff you out and fluff you out and make you more finessed. Well, if that explains it anyway. Now that we have our face and some sort of eye look going, let's creep on to the next and final stage. I went on with this gold glitter and just dropped it in my tear duct area, and then at the tip of the gold I did put some red glitter. Truth be told, I was having a lot of regrets in this moment because I was like, yeah, why didn't I put the gold on my lid? But lessons learned, we'll do it next time. So much for a snowy winter lid effect. Oh well, brush your shoulders off and move on. Jingle map. Shut your mouth. I was gonna say about. Okay, it's either my sensory is broken or it has a really dirty mind. To be investigated. And of course, there is always room to have a snack. Hello, because. Just because. TMI much?
On with it then.
Now going in with this 2-in-1 duo, I'm just gonna take the liner side of it and just apply it right outside my waterline area. You know, maybe bring some of the color of the green back from what I, clearly covered with all the red. It is supposed to be holiday inspired after all. At this point, it is what it is because it is in fact a voiceover, so what's done is done. Now what I'm doing is going in with a flat brush and just smudging it out because, let's be honest, I don't think anybody wants a straight, thick, precise line under eye. Well, at least I know I don't, and it looks better that way anyway. Now for the lips. I did use a wet wipe to remove any excess product that was left over before I start applying anything at all. You know, start anew, fresh start, new beginnings. And of course, I could not decide what color I wanted to put on the lip because my color palette when it comes to makeup is completely like tragic. Like I cannot make what is what and if A and B just make C, because it's legit one of the biggest challenges I face in makeup, but it's always a learning process, right? Now I'm taking this brown liner and lining my lips, well, magic lining my lips. It's all the same thing, so it seems. And behold, she should probably look something like this, I think. Looks about right, yeah. Now I'm going in with this rose gold type satin sheerish lipstick, and I'm just gonna pop that right in the center. Now that we have that done and out of the way, let's get lost in the gloss. Taking this nude gloss, I'm just gonna apply it all over my lips just to finish it off. And voila! That about sums it up. Well, almost.
Bruh.
Now summoning the cleanup crew, I'm just gonna brush any excess powder on the parts of my face away because
We don't need all of that.
or do we? Now I'm just playing. I'm literally just leg pulling now. Now for the highlighting process. Now, never in a million years did I think I'm gonna be loving off liquid highlighters, but listen, the hype is stuck on me and it is not coming off, okay? And I know what you're probably thinking. You call yourself a makeup whiz and you do not know all these things? And you're probably right. But hear me out. Because my makeup routine is always so generic, like just face and basic eyes, now that I'm tampering and meddling in eyeshadow, I'm just kind of learning a lot of new things because I'm venturing out more than usual. Yeah. Jeez, I got so caught up talking that I forgot to tell you guys what I did. So, in case you missed it, I did go in with the e.l.f. liquid highlighter and I spritzed my face with water and applied 2 layers of that. Then I took the Too Faced bronzer and went over that and started buffing everything to more of a flawless finish. As y'all know, for me, the highlighter stakes are high and I'm in competition with the sun itself. I mean, I think I'm winning. I got the upper hand. Coronavirus! Ha! I did pop some neutral eyeliner into my waterline and then I took the green glitter and lined the underneath of the red liner. I initially wanted to put the gold glitter there, but because there was so much already going on, I did not want to take a chance. I did also put some on my lashes because clearly I'm obsessed with putting things on my lashes for some odd reason. Now I'm finishing off with some mascara and a few jacked up low light shots that actually happened accidentally.
Bruh.
And voila, she is complete. Yes. I mean, not knowing where I was doing when I began turned out pretty good actually. To finish off, I'm just going to spray my hair with some water and just crunch it up into some hand curls, you know, because it is a straight unit after all. Truth is, I wanted something different and I didn't feel like putting heat on it, so easy has done it again. And that about wraps everything up, I think. Let me see if I'm forgetting anything. Nah, I'm just playing. Now to baptize myself in this unforgiving H2O mist.
Sets and refreshes. Double O. Knockout.
Alright y'all, as usual, thank you so much for rocking it with me, and I do hope you have a better year than the last one because, you know. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content. Until next time, bye! Shut your mouth. Ha! Too late. It's already over. Hey, why not? Click that bell. Like, comment, and all that jazz. Until next time, ciao!